But believe it or not, Jenna, that same storm system is what's impacting our weather forecast right now and bringing us the rain chances. And we've got more on the way tonight. So let's dive right into it. But I want to review because we got a lot of rainfall in some spots over the past 24 hours. In fact, take a look at some of the big winners or maybe big losers, depending on how you look at it. Look at Princeton, Illinois. Yeah, almost 6 inches of rainfall over the past 24 hours. Over 3.5 inches of rainfall in Galesburg, Burlington. Over 3.5 inches of rainfall and over 2.5 inches of rainfall in Keokuk and nearly 2.5 inches of rainfall in Kewanee. Now let's show you the radar right now. Again, fairly quiet, and it's been quiet for most of the day, which has been some great news because we needed to let some of that rainfall run off where we had those 4, 5, 6 inch amounts. But notice out to the south and west, more widespread showers and thunderstorms developing, and that activity is increasing off from the south and west, moving to the north and east, and that means we're going to see more widespread rain and a couple of rumbles of thunder tonight. Here's why. We had that frontal boundary that moved through last night that brought us the heavy rain and even the strong storms across the south, but that boundary is now going to begin to lift back to the north as a warm front, and in that transition, we're going to see more showers and thunderstorms off and on tonight heading into your Sunday, and then behind that, we're going to open up the doors to more summer-like air, at least for a couple of days. So here's how it plays out on Exact Track. Again, this evening, clouds in place. We'll notice that chance of widespread showers and thunderstorms increasing by midnight. I think we'll have plenty of rain and even a couple of rumbles of thunder in the area, and that trend will continue overnight into your Sunday morning. So waking up, maybe some of those early Sunday school services or anything like that Sunday morning, you'll probably have to dodge some raindrops. And then as we go throughout the day, we'll see the rainfall tapering off to just a few scattered showers, mainly south of I-80 by the afternoon. And then by Sunday night, look at this. Yeah, we clear the skies out. Here comes the sunshine, but also here comes the heat and the humidity. But again, on average, I think about 1/2 inch of rainfall will be likely over the next 24 hours, but some folks could see a little bit more than that, especially south and east of the metro where you've already seen the heavy rainfall. And that's why we have flash flood watches that have been reissued now south and east of the Quad Cities here for Kewanee, Princeton, over towards Burlington, in the Galesburg area, because we could be talking about 1 to 2 additional inches there. Here's the bottom line. Rain returns for us overnight tonight with a few rumbles possible. Some heavy rainfall could be possible in some areas. That's why that flash flood watch is in effect. Once we get the rain out of here, again, as I said, Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be very summer-like as we get this big ridge of high pressure, giving us that southerly flow, pumping in that warm air. But look at this. By the time we get towards the middle of the week, a strong front moves in, brings us another good chance of rain. And look at this. Maybe our first significant taste of fall as we get towards the end of the week. So for tonight, upper 50s with rain and storms. Watch out. That flash flood watch is in effect, especially south and east of the metro. Mid-70s on your Sunday with rain and storms, especially in the morning. Then it'll start to taper off in the afternoon hours. And there you see it. Summer returns Monday, highs in the mid-80s. And behind that front Wednesday, yeah, we're talking fall with highs barely reaching 60.